What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do some freaking rust repair on this thing, right? So apparently Integras don't really rust in like super obvious places. Like, I guess, yeah, they do rust here, like, you know, I guess. Like, this has very little bubbling. Like, I don't even know if this is going to take much filler at all, but that's going to be for a different time, because back here I can't even feel any rot at all. It's literally just surface right here. But in the trunk is another story. I don't know if this side's the same, but that side's a giant asshole. And the bumper supports are completely rotted off. So we're gonna have to fix that today. And Tyler, he dropped us off last night. He's on the way right now with his girlfriend, and she has some like clunking on her Jeep or whatever, so I'm gonna check that out as well. And you know, yeah. Also, look at this big box Ronnie has. I will not reveal secrets yet, but just know he'll be doing something cool on his channel with this big box. It's a heavy box. All right, so this is a big ass job. So we got that whole thing right there is a hole. The whole thing is a hole, and then the same on this side. We didn't get this panel free yet, but same hole on this side. So what we're gonna have to do is take both of these inner quarter panel, whatever the hell you want to call these things, off. And the bumper has to come off because it goes like all the way in and under. Jesus, that's a big hole. As you can see, his carpet got pretty damn moldy. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna attempt to bang this out, I hope. Right, so the easiest part was pretty hard because these panels are massive. There's that one, there's that one. A lot of things to go through to get them damn panels off. But if you look at this side, it's bad, but it's not as bad as the other side. Like, yeah, you can see the bumper, but this side is just like, just massive hole. Holy hole.
Holy hell.
Holy freaking hole. So we're gonna have to get some freaking metal and do some cutting and grinding and plug in these damn holes. And yeah. So this is a big piece of factory sealant. There we go. This is a big piece of factory sealant I just pulled from right here. Ugh. Yeah, so there's one of two ways you guys could do this. You could cheap out and just, you know, cover the hole and just the hole and just kind of leave this to do its thing. If you don't plan on keeping the car for that long, or you can grind all of this and cut all of this out. Let's see how weak this is. Oh my god. Sheesh!
Where did we get myself into?
Yeah, that's a lot of freaking rust right there. I mean, there's more just hole than rust, so I mean, we're good there. That's gonna be a lot of grinding and freaking welding. So yeah, this is definitely gonna take me a couple days. I just peeled off some more like molding stuff. So what I'm going to do today is just grind down as much as I can and cut off as much as I can and just try to get this thing prepped for welding as much as I can, because there is a lot of work to be done here. Gotta do some running around, get some diesel, get some plates, metal, whatever, you know?
That's right there.
22 bucks. Alright, so we went to Walmart, got this stuff here. Yeah, so what I'm going to do first is take this bit right here and just chisel out whatever I can, not chisel out, but grind away whatever surface flaky shit there is, and then cut out the rest. That's the goal for tonight. So let me set up the camera in here and get some get some nice shots of me getting this friggin' rust out of here. That was leaning far forward, so let me just, yeah. So there we go, I ground down as much as I could, and I just took a bunch of freaking, literally just picked it out of there. So I'm gonna cut out whatever I can cut out and go from there. I really just like to get everything nice and cut up so I can just put the nice new metal in. All right, well, Tyler went home. Let me explain and show you guys some of the things. So this here, or these here rather, are each side that I just cut off. There's a bunch there, a lot of metal. And then if you look underneath here, that's all rust and dirt. Some rust here, I gotta sweep this up. Ain't leaving Ronnie's shop a mess. There you go. There's all that. So in here, what I basically did is just cut out the biggest rot area that I can, or that I could. Yeah, so the flatter the piece, the easier. I'm gonna make some, I mean, I guess we'll get into that when we get into that. But got some shears right here, so it'll be pretty easy to cut this metal. And the metal's about the same gauge as, you know, the shit that they use for this. So we should be mint there, and we're going to be undercoating it and spray painting the top over here with Rust-Oleum and all that good stuff, trying to get it all non-rusty. But as you can see from all the cut marks, I had to cut quite a bit that was like just straight up rotted. Basically all of that, all of this, and all in here. Same over here. Let me move the light. Same over here, had it cut up there, all that, and all that. Okay, and then down here, you can see it was hit, and there's some rust over there, so I'm just gonna have to patch that up a little bit. That shouldn't be too much of a problem. But over here and over here, big problem. So what we want to do is seal this and make it, you know, not have water coming in through the bottom, obviously. And it's a pretty tedious process. As you can see on this side, I started with the grinding wheel. Well, I didn't start with the grinding wheel, but I started grinding with the grinding wheel, like where I think I'm gonna weld. So obviously, you know, that line right there that you see that's shiny, that's probably where the new panel's gonna go. And yeah, we're just gonna try to close as much of this up as possible because, oh man, and I don't know what the stock Integra shit is. Like it's weird. Like it looks like it goes under here, but it looks like from stock they aren't actually sealed over here. So maybe that's a problem. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't. If anyone knows, let me know. If you've ever, you know, looked under an Integra before or own one or whatever. But it almost looks like it kind of just comes to here and then goes this way, and then this just kind of vents in. Like I don't know why they would rot so consistently on both sides so much, other than if it's just a design flaw from Honda and they just aren't completely sealed there and it lets the friggin' rust in or whatever. Lets the salt and water in and then and then rots out. But that is a lot, and I spent a good while cutting. Whew. Alright guys, well, like I said, everything is, you know, pretty close to being ready to weld. Just gotta do a little bit more grinding on this side, but it is like 10 something and my boy is tired. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I just cleaned up, pulled the car forward and whatnot, made sure the floor is nice and clean, because if Ronnie needs to work in here, I'll bring my Prelude outside and put this in my shop. It's just easier right now because my Prelude's already in my shop that we pulled this in here. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Look forward to the next video, because we will be, hopefully, if it takes me 2 days, I'll wait 2 days to make the video, to like edit the video so it's all in one video, but I already waited a day and I couldn't do much. So this video is going to be the first video. Second video will be coming soon, within a day or two. So it could be out the day after this video, could be out 2 days after this video. I don't know. Depends how long this takes. And we haven't even taken off the bumper yet. Mostly because I want to do that as a separate thing. Like once the inside's done, I'll be a lot less, you know, bamboozled, and we can deal with whatever's underneath here. It doesn't look horrible from here. I think it's just the support that's rotted out. Hear that crunchy? Yeah. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Peace out.